Rolls-Royce occupies a space that I resonate with in terms of perfection, where there is an absolute attention to detail that is unrivaled. There's a willingness to take time in order to create something that is beyond compare, that encourages us to dream, because it occupies that upper echelon of existence in that world that no other car does, right? And in doing so, it inspires us to dream bigger about what we can accomplish. So I was part of the final testing for the Cullinan in some of the roughest environments that we could find. Part of it was surprisingly challenging given what I've done for my entire life. Going on expeditions is nothing new. Going on an expedition to literally try to break a car that ultimately ended up being unbreakable was actually more trying than I anticipated.